What's up, everybody? Mr. Ganja here, back at it with another video. And today, I'm just showing you how I make my fungal dominated compost tea fungi culture. It's pretty easy. First thing is you need is worm castings. Alright? Get a little bit of worm castings. Second, get yourself some mushroom compost. Very important. Make sure you get the mushroom compost too. So we got worm castings, mushroom compost. So all I do is add like half a cup to this little greenhouse container. Works perfectly for mushroom culture. As you can see, nice and fungal dominated. Fucking smells like it too. So worm castings, got yourself some mushroom compost. Mix about half a cup of each in there. Well, you can do a little bit less than half a cup, maybe a quarter of a cup each in here will work. And then I like to add a little bit of water in it, but first add in a little bit of kelp, just a little bit of kelp, like itsy bitsy to your tiny bit of water you're adding. Or you're only adding like, say, 40 to 50 milliliters of water, so a very small amount of kelp. That helps to accelerate the mushroom growth, which is very nice. So we got compost, mushroom compost, worm castings. Now mix some kelp in your water. And sometimes I do add a little bit of humic and fulvic acid. That helps too. Just like I said, just a little bit. And then I like to add maybe like a milliliter of some fish emulsions or fish concentrate. That works really good. And then make sure you got oatmeal, right? So mix all of that in pretty much. Mix it in. And then I like to put a top dressing on it. So pretty much just put some oatmeal on it. And then I like to add, hang on. Oh, where is it? A little bit of kelp meal. And then where's the other one? Some glacier rock dust. That shit is fucking excellent for fungi growth. And then once you do that, wait a couple days. Make sure you put it on a heat mat on low, or the lowest temperature. And then you will get some nice fungal growth. Oh yeah. This is called Santa's beard. This is what you want. So yeah, mushroom compost or worm castings. Cow manure even works. Any type of compost or manure can work. But my experience, you want to do worm castings, mushroom compost, some sea kelp, some humic acid, some oats. You don't have to add the fish emulsion, but you can add the fish emulsion, glacial rock dust, and then a little bit of kelp meal. Just do that, like I said. Wait a couple days. Usually it will start growing in about a day or two. Make sure you got the humidity lid on, and once you're done everything, you can spray it just spray it like that's all you need. Just spray it a few times on the top, so you just wet the surface, and then add in my case, add your humidity dome. Make sure it's open full all the way. You want a good bit of oxygen going in, because you don't want it going stinky and all that. So you want to have the good microbes and bacteria and fungi growing, not the bad ones. So keep the vents all the way open. And once you do that, well, a couple days later, you got some fungi. And then a couple days later, I will show you how to make a tea with it. It's pretty simple. I like to do fungal dominated teas and bacteria fungal dominated teas in my veg and flowering. I find they're both very beneficial. But anyway, stay calm, stay high, grow some, smoke some. Peace, everybody. Cheers.